Welcome back. In this session, we will talk about benchmarking in testing, basically using Golang, how we can do that. It is actually like, in a crucial process to do the benchmarking, to measure and, evaluate the performance of the Go code. It is the purpose and, there are some important points we'll consider in this, I mean, the benchmarking side. Performance optimization. Actually, it helps, developers identify performance bottlenecks and also where the code can be optimized. So by measuring the execution time and resource usage of various parts of the program, developers can make informed decisions to improve the efficiency. And a comprehensive analysis. Also, it will help like when you are using the functionality or libraries or open source code, we can verify the analysis, comparing with different open source codes and take the decision on that depending on the which one will give the good performance basically. And regression testing, also we can set some benchmarks for your testing process. You can detect the performance regressions, by making some code changes, ensure that code modification do not negatively impact the performance. And a data driven decision also, it will help. Actually, the results of the benchmarking will help us to take the decisions and architecture design, infrastructure scaling, and also it will also allows a decision based on the evidence basically. And standardization, it also collaborative development environment, and also benchmarking provide the standard way to assess the performance of the code. It also ensures that everyone working on the toward the same performance goals. So tuning for specific use cases, in any real world examples, right, performance requirements can vary. Benchmarking actually will tune your code for specific use cases, ensuring that optimal performance in various scenarios. Now let us see like through hands-on how we can do that. So it is actually very straightforward creating a benchmark functions in Golang. So you can use the testing package. In earlier also we used that testing package. We can use that is importing testing, and also we can write the benchmark function, which is also very straightforward. Benchmark functions in a regular Go functions, right? For example, you have some function called calculate Fibonacci, but benchmark test case will be having the function name as benchmark calculate Fibonacci. So that is very straightforward actually. So using the testing.b parameter, your benchmark function should accept the single parameter of the testing.b, and that function actually internally will use the iterations, basically this the count, whatever the count will get from the benchmark parameter. So inside the benchmark function, as I mentioned, there is a uh, basically there is a n b dot n. That is the field actually parameter determines the number of iterations actually we need to execute that particular function actually. So this is about the theoretical part. Let's go to the coding part basically. Okay, let me